Ever tried to use a VPN only to get hit with VPN blocked?
Oh!
Whether it's your school Wi-Fi, Netflix, or even your government, someone's always trying to stop you. But today, I'll reveal 6 stealthy ways to make your VPN undetectable. Ready to fight back? Let's go! VPN blocking refers to techniques used to detect and prevent the use of VPN connections, stopping users from communicating securely with websites or other devices. But why are VPNs blocked? First, government censorship. Some governments block VPNs to stop citizens from bypassing internet restrictions and accessing websites or social media that are otherwise banned. By blocking VPNs, they make it harder for people to view news or content the government disapproves of. Second, school and workplace restrictions. Schools and companies often block VPNs to ensure students or employees stay focused and comply with network rules. Blocking VPNs helps prevent access to distracting, inappropriate, or unauthorized websites during school or work hours. Last but not least, copyright issues. Copyright holders and streaming services may block VPNs to stop users from bypassing geo-restrictions and accessing content not licensed for their region. This helps prevent illegal streaming or downloading of copyrighted material. Now, let me show you 6 efficient and working ways to make VPN undetectable. Let's get started. Method 1. Switch to cellular data. If you are on a network that is blocking VPNs, you can simply get off the network and use mobile data instead. This is the fastest way to try. Method 2. Change VPN server. If a website is blocking your connection, reconnecting to the VPN server or switching to another one should resolve the issue. When a website sees multiple users sharing the same IP address, they usually block it thinking it is from a VPN. Method 3. Clear cache and cookies. Web browsers retain a wealth of data that can pinpoint your identity, even when under the cloak of a VPN. By purging your cache and cookies, you eliminate this stored information, significantly raising the bar for websites attempting to track or restrict you based on your previous engagements. Method 4. Choose a different VPN protocol. Some VPN protocols are more effective in bypassing VPN blocks than others. Protocols control how VPN data is transmitted between the user's device and the server. When your VPN is blocked, try to switch another protocol and reconnect it. DNS changes the designated naming service used to route your internet traffic. Popular services like Google, Cloudflare, and OpenDNS allow you to switch DNS for free. For iOS, go to Settings and head to WLAN. Choose your connected network and tap the eye icon next to your network. Scroll down to find Configure DNS and choose Manual. Add your preferred DNS servers. For Android, go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. Tap your connected network and click the More icon. Scroll down to find IP settings and select Static. Enter your preferred DNS in the DNS1 and DNS2 fields. Now, take a screenshot of these DNS if you need. Method 6. Get a different VPN provider. The organization blocking your access may have focused on some popular VPNs when choosing what to block, so you can gain access using a less popular service. Get UFO VPN in the description if you need. Curious about why UFO VPN is your go-to choice? Let's go. UFO VPN sticks to military-level encryption and a no-logs policy, which guarantees your information private and secure. With more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries, you can access your favorite streaming platforms, games, websites easily. Also, UFO VPN builds in speed check and connection accelerator tools that give you a smooth and lag-free experience. Grab UFO VPN below and leave a comment if this helps. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.